To give the response on behalf of the awardees, we now call on the President of EDI Staff Builders, Mr. Cesar A. Averia, Jr.
His Excellency, President Benigno Simeon Aquino III, Honorable Secretary Rosalinda Baldos of the Department of Labor and Employment, Administrator Hans Kakdak of the Philippine Overseas Employment Administration, respected officials from the different government agencies, esteemed colleagues from the overseas recruitment agencies, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. In behalf of my colleagues who represent the respective companies, we wish to express our most heartfelt gratitude and deepest appreciation for having bestowed on us the most prestigious Presidential Award of Excellence. This Award of Excellence should serve two major objectives. First, to inspire, and second, to challenge. It should inspire and motivate the other members of the industry to emulate what we have done for more than 30 years now in the conduct of our business, and that is to have the best practices in the recruitment, in all our recruitment activities, and also by following the rules and regulation of the POA to the letter. And also for them to aspire for ethical recruitment in all their processes, legally, morally, and spiritually. For us presidential awardees, ethical recruitment is the essence of our very existence. Secondly, it should challenge us, the presidential awardees, to keep our faith and passion to serve the Filipino overseas workers and to forever maintain the highest standards of the Presidential Award and to continuously help the POA lifting the living standard of the Filipino overseas workers and to work side by side with the International Labour Organization in its new advocacy, which is decent work across borders. We also wish to thank all the major and reputable companies all over the world who continuously recruit our Filipino workers. They are the very same companies who share the same values and belief that we have, that the best qualified Filipino worker will never pay any single centavo to get employed overseas and never to collect any single centavo from the worker as placement fees. We are very fortunate that three of these major companies are here with us today. Mr. Yanni Higara, President of Toyota Philippines, Mr. Nakano, President of JFE Engineering, and Mr. Harding, Managing Director of Cape Philippines. For more than 20 years now, they have recruited several thousand Filipino engineers and workers. They were so satisfied with the quality of their work that encouraged them to invest in the Philippines directly by establishing their local operation here. Amongst them, they employ more than 1,000 engineers and workers locally. I am sure that all my co-awardees on the Presidential Award have the same experience, and some of their most prestigious clients are also present with us today. Our advice to all the OFW is to enrich their knowledge and skills every time that they are working overseas. And forever, we assure you, you will be in demand internationally and locally. I still remember what the former President John F. Kennedy said once to the young interns of the United Nations, and to quote, "Be a global citizen, love your country by serving the world." To all the OFWs, you have shown your love for the Philippines by serving the world. In closing, I want to say, every Philippines recruitment company should be that of finding only the best and decent employment opportunities for our countrymen, and in the process contribute to the quest of achieving a better quality of life for our people that would rebound to nation building. Then and only then can we truly say that the overseas recruitment activities in industries have significantly contributed to our improvement of our country's development. economically, and socially. Again, Mr. President, in behalf of our Presidential Awardees of Excellence, thank you very much and mabuhay tayong lahat.
Thank you, Mr. Averilla.